Factory Toyota tonneau cover is pretty nice, but it has one weak point, and it's these little plastic end caps. They end up breaking right here where this thin plastic comes together. This will be my second time replacing this one, so I decided to try something different and go with these 3D printed ones that I found on Thingiverse. You can print them in PLA or ASA or ABS or whatever you have. I'm gonna go with the ASA one because it's better for outdoor use and it'll last longer. Tools you'll need for this are a T20 tool, a T25 tool, and a 1032 tap. Once you remove the old one, using T25 for the bolts and T20 for the bolt that holds this rubber piece on, you're going to reuse all this hardware and replace this part. The new part is not threaded when you print it, so we're going to go ahead and thread it with the 1032 threads, and this screw will just go straight into the plastic. I went ahead and used the 1032 tap. Next I used the T20 tool to reinstall the factory hardware. Then I slid the rubber gasket back on. And finally, slide it back into place. Now you just add the 2 screws to hold it in place and you're good to go. Make sure you don't over tighten these screws so you don't crack the plastic. And here's the final look. Everything installed and lined up. It doesn't really look any different than the factory piece. Hopefully that was helpful. Stay tuned to the next video and don't forget to like and subscribe.